Okay, we're going to go to Sketches School. We're doing 4.5, the complementary scales. I just want to do a quick demo, so there'll be lots of pausing and adding in this video. The first thing you want to do is choose watercolor paper. So go to your gear, click watercolor, which mine is clicked, click the check mark. You're going to go to the 7th tool down, which is the watercolor brush. I'm going to leave it on the medium point, and I'm going to bring in my value scales grid. Okay, so here's my boxes. You should have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. Okay, so I'm going to pause right there. Okay, so the complementary colors are mixing the primaries with the secondaries, okay, that are opposite of each other in the color wheel. So we're going to start with red, and I'm going to put red in the first 4 boxes. Two, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing 4 layers to get a good coverage. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now add yellow and green in 4 layers, or I'm sorry, yellow and blue in 4 layers each. Okay, on the other side, starting from the right, I'm going to add in 4 boxes of the complement or the secondary color, which is the complementary color to each of the primaries. So red and green. So the first box, I'm going to put in 2 layers of blue and 2 layers of yellow. And then next I'm going to put in, it's yellow and violet or purple. So I'll be putting in 2 layers of red and 2 layers of blue. And for blue, the opposite is orange. So I'll be putting 2 layers of yellow and 2 layers of red. Okay, so now right in the middle, oh, I messed up, dang it. I put green where the orange is, so I'm going to erase that. Give me a second. It's a nice thing about Sketches School, you can erase your mistakes. So I'm going to go ahead and put the orange in, 2 layers of yellow and 2 layers of red, not blue this time. Yellow. Okay, this is correct. Now we have to work on the middle. So the complementary scales, meet 50-50 in the middle. We already have our primaries there, which would be the red is 4 layers. Now I'm going to add in 2 layers of yellow and 2 layers of blue. Okay, so in the middle, I said I was going to do 2 of the complementary colors on top of the primary, but I'm actually going to do 3. Okay, so on top of the red, in the middle, I'm going to add 1 layer of yellow, 2, 3, and then go to my blue and add 1, 2, 3. All right, and then for the violet, I'm going to add 3 layers of red, 1, 2, 3, right in the middle, and then 3 layers of blue right in the middle, and then 3 layers of yellow, 1, 2, 3, and 3 layers of the red, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the middle is a 50-50 of each, the primary and the secondary complements. Okay, so when you're looking at the lesson, a lot of people stop at this step. You're not quite finished. Now you have to mix the primaries back into the complementary side and the complementaries back into the primary side, giving you that range of intensity from the primary color to the middle, which is 50-50 of each color. Gives you the different range of intensity scales with complementary colors. Okay, so here we go. So at the very top scale, which is the red through the green, you're going to add 2 layers of the primary into the complementary side. So we're on red already. So I'm going to add, hold on. Okay, 1 layer, 2 layer. That is the box next to the middle, okay? And then the second to last box, you're just going to add 1 layer. See how it's going from the 50-50 and then gets less and less of a mix. So basically, you do the same on the other side of the middle, which would be 2 layers of yellow and then 1 layer of yellow. So the second box has 1 layer of yellow and the third box has 2 layers of yellow on top of the red. But now I need to add in the blue to give it the green. So 2 layers of blue and then 1 layer of blue. And then we'll move on to the rest of the complementary primary mixes here. So we need yellow, 2 layers and 1 layer. And then we need red, 2 layers and 1 layer. And then we need blue, 2 layers and 1 layer. And the last scale is the red and the orange complementary set. So let's go to, we're on blue, so we'll go 2 layers of blue, 1 layer of blue. And then go back to your yellow and do 2 layers in the third box of yellow and 1 layer in the second box. And then the very last thing you need to do is the red on top of that. So 2 layers on the third box and 1 layer on the second box. And then you're all set. There's your complementary set. So your first box should be the straight up color and your last box should be the straight up color. So your primaries and then your secondaries in the last box. I guess I can do this. So the primaries right there should be the actual color and the secondaries, the actual color. And then the little is added each way until you get 50-50 in the middle. Okay, I'm done.